Guys, welcome back to Chariot Palmistry. In this video, I'm going to teach you a very simple technique to find out if somebody has psychic dreams. Meaning, do they actually dream of the future before it happens? And the technique itself, as I said, is so simple. What I want you to do is have a look at somebody's right hand. And underneath the ring finger, you're going to notice a triangle developing right inside of Rahu's triangle. So Rahu's triangle is this big one formed by the lifeline, the headline, and also the Mercury line. But there's going to be a smaller triangle within this formed by the Saturn line, the headline, and the Mercury line. If you have a well-formed triangle over here, then that will give you the ability to see the future through your dreams. People who have this triangle also have a very strong gut instinct on things before they happen. So their intuition works when they're switched off at night, but also when they're wide awake too. Now this triangle is also correlated with the ring of Jupiter, also known as the ring of Solomon, which is another very strong psychic indication. And also, by the way, if you have this triangle over here, it also gives you the capacity to save money over time too. So you won't spend or waste as much of it as compared to other people. Alright guys, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. Thank you.